Hey guys, Jimmy with EasyHOA again. Just wanted to make a quick video to help you understand how you can print invoices in bulk. So it's pretty easy. What it does is by default, after you click on tools and you go to print, this page will come up right here and it'll default to show only the people that have amounts due or balances basically. So you'll notice you've got some amounts here in this column. And if everything looks good, you can add a note to the bottom of every invoice. You can just say, thank you for being in our HOA. And then you can hit generate PDF batch and it'll process a PDF and you'll be able to print that PDF from your download history. So right here it says PDF is being processed. And when that's done, you'll be able to print that off and it'll have all these invoices done. And all you need to do is push print and it'll print them all at the same time. Let us know if you have any questions. The other thing too, if you wanted to see a history of all the print jobs that you've queued up, you can click right here and it'll keep a history of all those that you've generated. So let us know if you guys have questions about how this feature works. Thanks.